Maria has a couch, and she needs to get it all the way across town. Furniture movers are too expensive. She doesn't know who to trust online and doesn't want to deal with truck rental companies. Luckily, Maria found the PickPack app that connects people in need with drivers who can do the job. Cost-effective, fast, and in a safe environment. John has a business, and Maria just purchased a TV from him. John needs to ship the TV now, so he immediately opened up his PickPack app to request a quote. John is confident that the TV will be shipped fast and safe. Maria's couch was moved, and she received the TV. Maria and John are relaxed because they can move and ship their stuff cheap, fast, and safe. For your peace of mind, all our drivers are screened and background checked to make sure your items are always safe and insured. If you need to move your stuff or ship goods from point A to point B, whether you're a consumer or a business, PickPack is right for you. PickPack is a cheaper, faster, safer alternative for consumers and businesses to move everything across town and across the country.